Hi, it's Tom Fiocchi here, props artisan, and here to teach you stuff. Okay, this is a lecture demo about using fiberglass. Okay, concept of fiberglass. Ooh, look, my blue hands. You ready for your examination? No, anyway, fiberglass is actually a really interesting medium. The way it actually works is essentially there is a woven type of glass, flexible glass cloth that is then mixed up with a resin that will harden up, and it creates a very lightweight and strong thing. Basically, it hardens the fabric up so it's solid. The fabric starts out just like regular fabric, flops around. Just to show you, I mean, this is actually fiberglass cloth. This is actually, you can see it there. Yay! It's actually a woven cloth. There are different types, and it comes in different weights. This is actually a 7.5 ounce. Just how they. Here's a 2 ounce. It's a lot finer. It's shimmery, like elven cloth. And it goes up to, to get thick as all heck. There's this matted stuff here that they use on Corvettes. It's gigantic. That my dad had floating around his garage. Anyway, so the whole idea is going to be that this fiberglass basically can be shaped into any kind of shape you want, and then if you apply resin to it, the resin hardens up and it becomes a very strong, lightweight thingy, whatever kind of design you're doing. What I'm going to be doing is a lecture demo. I'm going to basically show you there are 3 different types of resins that we use in the prop shop more often than not. There's polyurethane resin, there's epoxy resin, and there's aqua resin. Okay, these all have pluses and minuses in terms of cost and toxicity and strength and things like that. And we'll talk a little bit about that and why you would use them in comparison to using the other thing. I'll do a demo on how to apply it. I'm actually going to be doing I'm doing some repairs using the epoxy resin on this speeder that I made, an indoor speeder from Star Wars. So I'm doing that. I have to build I don't have the panniers done on the back of that same thing. There's actually these 2 bulbous triangular things that are on the back. And I'm going to do a positive mold fiberglass thing, very much like that. You see the Mandalorian helmet back there. It's one of the projects that my class does when they're doing this. So basically using a positive mold out of blue foam, and then we're going to use polyurethane resin for that. We'll be using epoxy resin on the repairs on the speeder, and then I'll probably just do a little demo of aqua resin, mainly because it's so expensive that I don't use it. It's pretty rare that I use it. Okay, so there we go.